Ultimate guide about schemes and funds provided by Singapore government for startups. Starting a business is not a moonwalk. Instead, one can face many financial struggles or challenges in setting up an office. However, if you're about to start a business in Singapore, there are many startup schemes available. Advantages of availing the Singapore schemes for startups. Though you start a low-cost business, the investment money may exceed your limitations. All you do is take the money from your personal savings to start a business. To help the startups in Singapore, the government has launched many schemes and grants. Through these grants, the startups can bring their dream business plan into the real world. The startup schemes in Singapore are easy to avail, helps to start and enhance your trade overseas, used for technical training too, provides tax exemptions. List of startup schemes in Singapore. There are many startup schemes available under Startup SG. All these schemes are vibrant and support the startup entrepreneurs financially. Under Startup SG Grant, Startup SG Founder, Startup SG Tech, Startup SG Talent, Startup SG Network, Startup SG Accelerator, Startup SG Infrastructure, Startup SG Loan, Startup SG Equity, and Startup SG Investor are available. Startup SG Founder. Via this funding scheme, the startups can find the mentoring match to develop their enterprise. Eligibility criteria to apply for SG Founder. You must be a Singapore citizen or reside in Singapore. If you are applying for the SG Founder startup scheme in Singapore, then you must at least hold 30% of the company's share. 51% of shareholders is mandatory. The enterprise must be a newbie, that is, during the time of application process, it must be 6 months old and not more than that. The business functionalities must be within the country. The applicant must be new, should not have registered and run the company before. The applicant must be new for getting the funding. The applicant must be the decision maker of the company. The ultimate goal of the Startup SG Startup Tech Scheme is to motivate the technical growth among newbie entrepreneurs. Eligibility for this: the startup company that is applying for an SG Tech grant must be registered in Singapore, and it must also handle operations in the city. The startup must have the minimum of 30% shareholdings. The company's turnover must be less than $100 million, and the number of company's employees must be less than 200. The applicant's company must be less than 5 years old during the SG Tech grant application process. FSTI, Financial Sector Technology and Innovation. As per the grant name, the funding is provided for vibrant innovation, and this scheme will be valid till March 2023. Eligibility for innovation corporates. The applicant for the FSTI scheme under Innovation Center can be either a corporate or any financial company. The applicants of FSTA can be a company who are just seeking for establishment or relocating the company, or willing to expand the business innovation in the country. Eligibility for institutions, organizations, industry-specific market, associations, and financial sectors companies in Singapore can be an applicant for this FSTA. Capability Development Grant in Singapore for startups. Via this grant, SME and startups in Singapore can improve the business capabilities in niche areas, including product development, high-quality service, business excellence, intellectual property IP, finance management, branding, marketing, etc. Eligibility for Capability Development Grant in Singapore for startups must be registered in Singapore. As like other grants, the applicant must have 30% of shareholdings in Singapore. Employee number count must be 200 or below. Business Improvement Fund BIF. Interested to start a trade in the tourism sector? Then this scheme will fit your financial needs for fulfilling it. Eligibility criteria. As said before, this is a tourism-based scheme, and clearly projects related to this stuff can apply for BIF. If you're intended to take capability development steps to expand your trade, then you become eligible for this funding. If the applicant is going to develop any product or service that serves the tourism industry, can also apply for it. Countless entrepreneurs have already utilized the schemes and funding in Singapore and are running a successful business. Get driven to stimulate your firm in a very effective way via schemes available in Singapore.